Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. It is an exciting news to see that Galaxy Z Fold 4 come as a premium foldable smartphone. So far the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has some big shoes to fill if it's to follow on from the impressive Galaxy Z Fold 3, but there's room for improvement, with the foldable phone's formula still not yet perfected. There are only limited rumors around so far for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and nothing concrete about specs or features. However, we have plenty of things we hope Samsung will introduce, like enhanced cameras and potentially a slicker integration for the S Pen stylus. A new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 rumor noted that the foldable phone won't have a slot to store the S Pen. That would seem like a missed opportunity to us. A Korean leaker claims the Z Fold 4 will have under-display cameras both on the interior and exterior displays, as well as several other more welcome refinements. Both the leaks so far and our educated guesses match when it comes to the possible launch of the new Z Fold 4. The last two generations of Galaxy Z Fold have arrived in late summer or early fall, with the Z Fold 3 launching in August, and the Galaxy Z Fold 2 arriving in September the year before. Therefore we'd expect a similar launch date at the end of August or early September for the Z Fold 4 as well. One rumor for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which comes from Korean leaker, says that the phone will be getting cheaper, which given that the Z Fold 3 costs $1,799, would be quite welcome news. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 from 2020 launched at $1,999, which might suggest that after falling by $200 in 1 year, we may see a $400 drop over 2 years to $1,599 for the Z Fold 4. That would still be much more expensive than even the most fully spaced phablet-style phone, but as the gap shrinks, more and more phone buyers will be tempted to go for a foldable. We're still expecting Samsung to stick with the basic formula of the Z Fold 3 when making the Z Fold 4, however a few changes have already been tipped by one leaker. Samsung is considering ways to reduce the phone's weight by reworking its hinge, and improving the waterproofing and dustproofing. A lighter phone that is less susceptible to water and dust damage sounds ideal to us. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 introduced a big change compared to previous Samsung phones, the company's first under-display camera on the main display. A Korean leaker claims that the Z Fold 4 could build on this by adding a second under-display camera to the cover display. That would be good news for watching content on either screen, but unless Samsung drastically improves the quality of the images produced by its under-display cameras, it could be very bad news for selfie snappers. The only rumor we have about the Z Fold 4's power source is an unfortunate one. It says that Samsung will be keeping the battery roughly the same size as it currently is on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which I think it may be a bit challenging when it comes to premium and flagship. That is it for now guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.